Now, spray paint can really be handy for all those painting jobs around your home.
Especially the chores that are difficult to paint, like this stool. But the real trick is how do you use the paint can the second time, because often you can't get the paint to spray out.
Exactly. Those tips are notorious for getting clogged, staying clogged. I see homeowners all the time with 10 or 15 cans of paint on the shelf. Half-filled cans, and there are ways that you can kind of rescue some of those.
Right. The first way is to simply follow the directions on the can. I know that you always read all of the directions.
Every time.
But any spray paint can will tell you on the back of the label, when you get through painting, always turn it upside down and spray it until it runs clear. That's the first way to keep the tip clear, and so you'll be able to use it the second time around.
Now, what about those older cans that probably a few of our viewers have sitting around? You can rescue those by very carefully removing the tip off of the can and then drop it in overnight in lacquer thinner or paint thinner and just let it soak real well so that it loosens up those particles that are inside the tip.
Right, and then once it's soaked overnight, and sometimes it might actually take a couple of days, you can take it out and clear out the ports. What I like to use is just a twist tie from a loaf of bread. The wire on the inside is a perfect diameter to fit inside the tip and clear out the softened paint.
Now, this really works well. I've tried it myself, and you may look out in your garage and get those 10 cans of paint you have sitting there and give this a try. By tomorrow, you've got some extra paint.